Plumber Elboya, located in Calgary's southwest quadrant, defined by the Elbow River and Elbow Drive with beautiful residential infrastructure. My Calgary Plumber stands out as the premier choice for plumbing excellence in Elboya, Calgary, delivering your wish plumbing services. We understand that plumbing problems can be a homeowner's nightmare. That's why we're committed to delivering the best in Elboya. Our expert technicians are well equipped to handle a wide range of plumbing needs. Leak repairs, from dripping faucets to hidden pipe leaks, we've got you covered. Drain cleaning. We'll keep your drains flowing smoothly and efficiently. Water heater installation and repair. Never worry about a cold shower again. Pipe repairs and replacements, addressing all your plumbing pipe concerns. Toilet repairs and installations, ensuring your bathrooms remain in working order. Sump pump services, protecting your home from potential flooding. We combine our expertise with state-of-the-art technology to ensure that your plumbing problems are resolved with precision. Don't let plumbing issues disrupt the tranquility of your Elboya home. Contact My Calgary Plumber at 587-707-0606 or visit www.mycalgaryplumber.ca. Your peace of mind is just a phone call away. Try us for the best.